Question number 1. Estrogen is primarily produced by. The right answer is option A, ovaries. Question number 2. The average duration of a normal menstrual cycle is. The right answer is option B, 28 days. Question number 3. The most common symptom of uterine fibroids is. The right answer is option B, heavy menstrual bleeding. Question number 4. Ovulation typically occurs on which day of the menstrual cycle? The right answer is option B, 14th day. Question number 5. What is the primary hormone responsible for ovulation? The right answer is option C, luteinizing hormone. Question number 6. Endometriosis commonly affect which organ? The right answer is option A, ovaries. Question number 7. What is the medical term for painful menstruation? The right answer is option B, dysmenorrhea. Question number 8. The normal size of a non-pregnant uterus is approximately. The right answer is option B, 7 centimeter. Question number 9. A pap smear test is primarily used to detect. The right answer is option D, cervical cancer. Question number 10. Polycystic ovary syndrome PCOS is associated with. The right answer is option C, insulin resistance. Question number 11. What is the most common cause of infertility in females? The right answer is option A, PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome. Question number 12. The term menopause refers to. The right answer is option B, absence of menstruation for 12 months. Question number 13. The first sign of puberty in females is. The right answer is option A, breast development. Question number 14. Cervical cancer is most commonly caused by. The right answer is option D, HPV infection. Question number 15. Progesterone is secreted by. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 16. The average age of menopause is. The right answer is option C, 51 years. Question number 17. Which contraceptive method is long acting and reversible? The right answer is option B, IUD. Question number 18. What is the main feature of premenstrual syndrome, PMS? The right answer is option C, emotional and physical symptoms before menstruation. Question number 19. The gestational age at which the fetal heart starts beating is. The right answer is option B, 6 weeks. Question number 20. Hysterectomy refers to the surgical removal of. The right answer is option B, uterus. Question number 21. Which hormone is used to confirm pregnancy? The right answer is option C, HCG. Question number 22. What is the term for bleeding between menstrual cycles? The right answer is option C, metrorrhagia. Question number 23. Which organ is affected by ovarian cysts? The right answer is option B, ovaries. Question number 24. The most effective way to prevent cervical cancer is. The right answer is option B, HPV vaccination. Question number 25. Follicular phase of which menstrual cycle is characterized by. The right answer is option C, follicle development. Question number 26. What is the common symptom of pelvic inflammatory disease? The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 27. Which condition is characterized by the absence of menstruation by age 16? The right answer is option A, primary amenorrhea. Question number 28. Laparoscopy is used for. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 29. Ovulation induction is commonly achieved with. The right answer is option B, clomiphene citrate. Question number 30. Polymenorrhea refers to. The right answer is option A, frequent menstrual cycles. Question number 31. What is the common site of ectopic pregnancy? The right answer is option C, fallopian tube. Question number 32. The first menstrual cycle is called. The right answer is option C, menarche. Question number 33. A vaginal yeast infection is commonly caused by. The right answer is option A, Candida albicans. Question number 34. Which hormone dominates the luteal phase? The right answer is option B, progesterone. Question number 35. Which is not a symptom of menopause? The right answer is option C, increased fertility.